Okay, good morning, students. Last class, we started one new unit. That unit is Fourier series. Introduction of Fourier series and explain some important formulas. And one important method is Euler's method. The formula of Euler's method already we discussed in the last class. Once again, I explaining the formula of Euler's formula, and we will do the corresponding problems. First of all, the formula of Fourier series in Euler's method is how to identify the Euler's method. The given problem have limits in the 0 to 2 pi. We have to compare the limits into the general limit c comma c plus 2l. So equating corresponding limits, the lower limit c equal to 0 and upper limit c plus 2l equal to 2 pi. Substituting c equal to 0 in c plus 2l, 0 plus 2l equal to 2 pi. Cancellation 2 on both sides, we getting l equal to pi. When l equal to pi, replacing l equal to pi in the basic formula of the Fourier series, then that formula is converted into the Euler's method. So the main notation of Euler's method is l equal to pi. When solving the given limits to basic limit c comma c plus 2l, when getting the l value pi, so L value pi is indicate the formula of Euler's method. So the identification of Euler's method in two ways. One is the given limits are 0 to 2 pi, and another one is after calculation we getting the L equal to pi. These two ways we have to identify the Euler's method. The Euler's method identification is the limits are in 0 to 2 pi. The limits are in 0 to 2 pi, and find out the value L equal to pi. After replacing L equal to pi in the basic formula, we get the Euler's formula. I have to write the Euler's formula. After replacing L equal to pi, the Euler's formula becomes f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Where a naught equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, and a n equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx, and bn equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. It is called the Euler's formula. So in f of expression, we have to find out three values. It is full range equation. Find out a naught, an, bn. These three values we have to find. This equation is called the full range Fourier series equation. So taking one example problem. That example is f of x equal to e power x, f of x equal to e power x, expand as a Fourier series in the limit 0 comma 2 pi. expand the function f of x equal to e power x in the range 0, comma 2 pi. So this is the formation of the question. So the given limits are in 0, comma 2 pi. The given limits are in 0, comma 2 pi. Then clearly it is an Euler's method. How to identify the Euler's method? One of the shortcut is available. That shortcut is average the limits without their signs. 0 plus 2 by 2, that equal to 2 cancel pi. When L equal to pi, automatically the equation is converted into the Euler's method. Okay, so clearly it is Euler's method, and also we have to write the formula of Euler's method. In the Euler's method, we have to find three values. The three values are, one is a naught by 2, second one an, third one bn. So first to write the formula of a naught. The formula of a naught equal to 1 by pi. Am I voice in business? Am I audible? Voice clarity on the. Hello? Hello? మరి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి ఎవరో ఒకరు.
సార్ ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ సార్.
ఓకే. So a naught equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. F of x dx. But here f of x is e power x. It is a given value. So replace f of x by e power x. Then a naught equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi e power x. Integral of e power x. It is also e power x in the limit 0 to 2 pi. Replacing the limits, e power 2 pi minus e power 0. Anything power 0, 1 by pi e power 2 pi minus 1. And a naught by 2 equal to 1 by 2 pi e power 2 pi minus 1. This is the first value of the Euler's formula. A naught by 2 equal to, just divide into on both sides, a naught by 2 equal to 1 by 2 pi e power 2 pi minus 1. Next, finding the an. The an formula is an equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. But in the given problem, f of x has e power x. So replace f of x by e power x. Next, find the integration of e power x cos nx. It has no direct integration. It is not possible to apply also UV formula. It has another formula. That formula is integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is the formula of the combination of exponential and trigonometry. So integral e power ax cos bx, it is not possible to solve in UV method. Integral of u v du, it is not possible in the method. It has one formula. That formula defines as integral e power ax cos bx equal to e power x by a square plus b square and a cos bx plus b sin bx. In the above problem, comparing both here, a equal to the quotient of x. So there is no quotient. The default is a equal to 1. And b, the angle of cos is a multiple of x. So the multiple of x in the cos angle is n. So b value n. So a equal to 1, b equal to n. Replace it. First of all, e power ax by a square plus b square. Here, a equal to 1. So e power x by a square plus b square means 1 square plus n square. E power 1 into x, that equal to x by a square, 1 square plus b square, n square. Next to a cos bx, a equal to 1. Cos bx means cos nx plus b sin nx, b means n sin nx in the limits 0 to 2 pi. We know that sin of pi and sin of 2 pi and sin of 3 pi and sin of 0. The full angles are completely sin values are 0. Sin 0, 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi 0. Full angles, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. Any full angles as a angle of sine, it is equal to 0. So suppose we have to replace 2 pi in sine and 0 in sine, it is completely 0. So we have to cancel that term. No need to replace the limits of sine because the upper limit and the lower limit replacing also, it value equal to 0. So I cancelling the sine function and replacing the limits in remaining function. Okay. First, replacing 2 pi in x. E power 2 pi by 1 plus n square. This is upper limit. Next, cos n into 2 pi. So cos 2n pi minus lower limit. E power 0 by 1 plus n square into cos 0. Finally, e power 2 pi by 1 plus n square cos 2n pi. The even angles of cos is 1, odd angles of cos is minus 1. So it is 1. Anything power 0, it is also 1. 1 by 1 plus n square, cos 0 also 1. So 1 by 1 plus n square is a common term of the both function. So we have to common 1 by 1 plus n square in the right hand side value. 1 by 1 plus n square. The remaining value of first term is e power 2 pi and the last term is 1. This is the value of an. Put it in box. And last find out value bn. The formula of bn is bn equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x. The multiple of bn in f of x sin nx dx. In the given problem, f of x is e power x. So replace f of x by e power x. It is also no direct formula and it is not possible to apply UV method. It has defined some different formula. The different formula is combination of exponential and trigonometry. That formula is integral e power ax into sin bx or dx. It is also e power ax by a square plus b square and a sin bx minus b cos bx. This is the sine and exponential e power x combination of integral formula. Here also a value 1, the quotient of e power x 1, and b value angle in the multiple of x, so b equal to n. So replacing a equal to 1, b equal to n in the above formula, the problem is converted to e power ax 1 by pi as a constant, e power ax means 1x by a square plus b square, 1 square plus n square, a sin bx, a means 1 sin nx minus b cos bx, b means n cos nx in the limits 0 to 2 pi. Again, in the upper limit sin 2n pi and the lower limit sin 0, we know that sin 0, sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin n pi, sin 2n pi, all full angles are equal to 0. So, no need to replace the limits in sine function. Just cancel the sine function and putting the limits into remaining value. So the minus you write in the outside minus 1 by pi, and n is also constant. I am writing minus n by pi in outside and replacing upper limit 2 pi in x term. So e power 2 pi by 1 plus n square also constant. So the final constant terms are minus n into pi already in outside. 1 plus n square is also constant, and remaining value e power x, replace upper limit e power 2 pi and cos 2n pi minus lower limit e power 0 and cos 0. Okay. So minus n by pi into 1 plus n square e power 2 pi. The even angles of cos is 1, odd angles of cos is minus 1. Cos 2n pi is 1 and e power 0 1, cos 0 1. So finally, the value is minus n by pi into 1 plus n square e power 2 pi minus 1. This is the value of Bn. Substituting all the values a0 by 2, a and bn in the above series f of x, the f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. This is the expansion of the Euler's formula. So we have to find out this value. First boxed value a0 by 2 replacing it, and second find out value an here replace, and the third finding value bn to replacing in this place. So this is the expression of the Fourier series in Euler's formula. Why we are using Euler's formula? Because the given limits are in 0 to 2 pi. So we have to calculate in 0 to 2 pi, we getting the value of L equal to pi. When L equal to pi, the formula becomes a Euler's formula. Okay. Okay, next problem. So taking these problems are homework. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని మీరు హోంవర్క్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. బేస్ గ్రావెల్లో అయ్యి f of x equal to x square and f of x equal to x. Last class I explained f of x equal to x minus x square. Same problem you will find x plus x square. Okay, this problem last time I explained as a x minus x square, replace x by x square. Okay. Next problem is so we have to go next another method. That another method is change of interval. So today class is change of interval. Change of interval. So the change of interval limits are not in even odd position or not in Euler's method. So when the given limits are not in 0 to 2 pi and not in minus pi to pi or minus 1 to 1, minus 2 to 2, like that. These type of limits not given in the change of interval, automatically the limits are is converted to change of interval. So the change of interval is not failed Euler's and failed even odd, then automatically the limits converted to the change of interval. So the change of interval limits like as 1 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma L, 2 comma 4, like that. So every limits not in the 0 to 2 pi and not in the negative to positive, the remaining all limits are in is belongs to the change of interval. So 0 to 2 pi and minus pi to pi, minus 1 to 1. Expect these limits, remaining all limits are in change of intervals. The formula of change of interval like as, suppose taking the limits 0 to 3, the given limits are 0 to 3. We have to find out the value of L. The shortcut of finding L value is just to average the two values without their signs. So 0 plus 3 by 2, I have to find out the average. So L equal to 3 by 2. When L equal to 3 by 2, replacing in the basic formula, the basic formula is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. So here L equal to 3 by 2, we have to find out the limits of 0 to 3. Taking one example, that example limits are 0 to 3. So we have to find the value of L by 3. One shortcut is available. That shortcut is just to average the two limits without their signs. We getting the value of L equal to 3 by 2. Replacing L equal to 3 by 2 in the above basic formula, automatically the basic formula is converted into the change of interval. So I have putting L equal to 3 by 2 in the f of x. So f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. L means 3 by 2. So in the reciprocal 3 by 2, 2 is went to numerator. So finally 2 n pi x by 3. Actual limit is n pi x by 3 by 2. So in the reciprocal, we have to 2 in the numerator, 2n pi x by 3. So this angle is converted to n pi x by 3 by 2. We have to write it is 2n pi x by, and similarly bn also. Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity, bn equal to same angle sine of 2n pi x by 3. This is the formula of change of interval, and also write a naught, a and bn in the L value pi by 3, sorry, 3 by 2. So the formula is converted into the change of interval and expand one by one formula. First a naught. A naught equal to generally 1 by pi integral c to c plus 2l f of x dx. Here L equal to 3 by 2. So the A naught is 1 by L. So 1 by 3 by 2. Integral limits of the given problem 0 to 3 f of x dx. Here using the reciprocal 1 by 3 by 2, it is converted to 2 by 3. So the A naught formula is 2 by 3 integral 0 to 3 f of x dx. And an is also 2 by 3 integral 0 to 3 f of x into the multiple of an. The multiple of an is in the expression cos 2n pi x by 3. So here also we have to write cos 2n pi x by 3 into dx. Okay. After that, bn value. So bn equal to same formula 2 by 3 integral 0 to 3 f of x, and the quotient of sine and the quotient of bn is sine n pi x by sine n pi x by 2n pi x by 3. So f of x, bn equal to 2 by 3 integral 0 to 3 f of x sine 2n pi x by 3 into dx. This is the formula of change of interval. Suppose we taking the given limit 1 comma 2, the formula is changed. Or suppose we taking the limit 0 to, in this case also formula is changed. Every limit we have to find L value and replacing L value into the basic formula. That basic formula is converted to the change of interval. But in the last method, Euler's method, it is fixed L equal to pi. When L equal to pi, the formula is fixed in the every problem. But in the change of interval, the limits are changed when the formula also changed. Suppose 0 to 3, the I am writing this formula 0 to 2, so we have to change this formula. And 1 to 2, it is also changing the formula. Only Euler's method is fixed because L value pi, it is fixed in the Euler's method. Euler's formula does not change in the every problem, but change of interval is always change, depends on the given limits. Okay, we have to do one problem. So the problem is f of x equal to, so like that, expand f of x equal to 2x minus x square in the limits 0 comma 3 as, so expand as a Fourier series expand as a Fourier series f of x equal to 2x minus x square in the limit 0 comma 3. So the problem like this. So in the given problem, not mentioned in the method. So what method we apply, Euler's or Euler-Rod or change of interval? It is not mentioned in the problem. We have to identify this method from the given limits. In the given limits are 0 comma 3. So suppose 0 to 2 pi, so it is Euler's. Suppose minus 1 to 1 or minus 2 to 2 or minus pi to pi, it is even or odd. So these, not these type of the given limits, then automatically we have to go to change of interval. So 0 comma 3, replacing 0 comma 3 in the basic formula, it is also converted into the change of interval. Already I am writing the formula of change of interval. First we have to find out the value of L. The shortcut of L value finding, just average the two values without their signs. So L equal to 3 by 2. Replacing L equal to 3 by 2 in the basic formula, the basic formula is converted into the change of interval only in the limits of 0 to 3, not in the entire method, only the limits of 0 to 3, the formula is converted. So taking the formula of f of x equal to a naught by 2 sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L, L value 3 by 2 in the reciprocal 2n pi x by 3 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin 2n pi x by 3. We have to find out the three values a naught, a n, b n, because it is also full range equation. First, write the formula of a naught. The formula of a naught equal to 1 by L, 1 by 3 by 2. So 2 by 3, integral 0 to 3, it is given limits f of x dx. The given problem f of x is 2x minus x square. 2x minus x square into dx. Okay. So find out the integration of 2x. Here 2 is constant. Integral of x, so x square by 2 minus integral of x square x cube by 3 in the formula of x power n. The formula of x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2, 2 cancel. 2 by 3. Replacing the upper limits 3 square minus 0 and a minus 1 by 3 into 3 cube minus 0. That equal to 2 by 3. 3 square minus 0 equal to 9 and 3 cube 27 by 3, that is also 9. 9 minus 9 0. So a naught value 0. A naught by 2, it is also 0. So remember it, a naught by 2. The value of a naught by 2 equal to 0. Next, go to an. First, I am writing the formula of an 1 by 3 by 2. So it is also written in 2 by 3. The limits of the given problem 0 to 3. So integral 0 to 3 f of x cos 2n pi x by 3 into dx. So the given problem of f of x is 2x minus x square. Replace f of x by 2x minus x square. So we have to find out the integration instead of integration value in integration by parts method, like as integral of uv. Here one shortcut. The shortcut is, first of all, the preference of the islet. In the preference of islet, there is no inverse trigonometric in the above equation. There is no logarithmic, and algebraic term is available. 2x minus x square is the algebraic terms. So in the order of preference, first we have to take 2x minus x square. 2 by 3 as a constant. Open the square brackets. In the first order preference, 2x minus x square. And the next derivative of 2x minus x square. Derivative of 2x equal to 2. Derivative of x square equal to 2x. So taking some gap, 2 minus 2x. And again, derivative of 2 minus 2x. This derivative, 2 minus 2x. Derivative of 2 is 0. And derivative of minus 2x equal to minus 2. So minus 2. Arranging it in the Euler principle, the preference of Euler principle. First, the preference is algebra term. The algebra term in the given problem is 2x minus x square. 2x minus x square. The derivative of 2x minus x square is 2 minus 2x. And the derivative of 2 minus 2x equal to 2. And next, giving the signs alternatively. The first term is starting from plus. And the second one is minus. And third one is plus. But the term is minus 2. Okay. So after that, we have to find out the integration of the remaining term. The remaining term is cos n by 2n pi x by 3. So taking integration, cos 2n pi x by 3 integration, cos integration sign 2n pi x by 3, and the angle of x is 2n pi by 3. Okay. 2x minus x square. We have to find out the integration of cos that equal to sin 2n pi x by 3 divided by angle of x 2n pi by 3. And integral of this bracket, the total this bracket, integral of sin minus cos 2n pi x by 3 by 2 square 4 pi square n square by 9. Well, again, minus of 2, integral of minus cos, these total bracket integration, minus sin 2n pi x by 3 by 2 cube, 8 pi cube n cube by 3 cube, that equal to 27. This is the expansion of the an series. So we have to find out the 2x minus x square into cos 2n pi x by 3 as a integration by parts, taking 2n x by 3 and the derivative of 2x minus x square is 2 minus 2x, and the derivative of 2 minus 2x equal to minus 2, and integrating of the circulated value is sin 2n x pi by 3, and the quotient of x, the multiple of x, we have to write the multiple of x in the denominator of the integration, and the sin integration minus cos. So 2n pi by 3 into 2n pi by 3, 2 square, 4 square, pi square, n square by 3 square equal to 9, and minus cos 2n pi x by 3 integration minus sin 2n x pi by 3, and 2 cube equal to 8, pi cube n cube by 3 cube means 27. Replacing the limits of 0 to 3 into the entire problem, 0 to 3. In the 0 to 3, for example, taking sine function here 0 to 3, so 3 3 cancel. Observe that replacing 0 to 3. So, for example, taking x equal to 3, 3 3 cancel, sine 2 n pi, 0. Replacing 0, sine 0, 0. So, in the sine function, we have to cancel it. And remaining value is, and the remaining value is, after cancellation of sine, because the upper limit and lower limit substitution, the sine is equal to the 0. So, 2 by 3 as a constant. So, multiplying minus. So 2 minus 2x after multiplication, 2x minus 2, it is reverse of the reciprocal 9 by 4 pi square n square, 4 pi square n square. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus 2 minus 2x into this 9 by 4 pi n square is constant, right in the outside, 9 by 4 pi n square, and 2 minus 2x into cos 2n pi by 2n pi by 3 by 3. Here also 3, replacing upper limit, minus lower limit. So replacing minus 2 into cos 0 equal to 1. Here 3, 3 cancel. Cos 2n pi. The even angle of cos is 1. So here 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 4 minus 2, that equal to minus 6. It is minus 6. This is in 2 times. Minus 2 into 2 cancel. Finally, minus 9 by pi square n square. This is called the an value. Similarly, we have to find out the value of bn. In the bn value, just replacing cos by sine, sine by cos, and find out the limits. In the above formula, in the above expression, just replace cos by sine and sine by cos. It easily getting the value. So here sine 2n pi x by 3 into dx. So the value is bn. After finding a naught, a and bn, substituting in the expression f of x, the f of x value equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos 2n pi x by 3 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn value sin 2n pi x by 3. So this is lengthy calculation. So find out carefully. Find out it carefully. We getting the corresponding results. In the two topics, what are the two topics? One is Euler's method and second one is change of interval. In the two topics, first one is very, very important, Euler's method. Second one is optional method. So the limits are in 0 to 3 or for example 1 to 3, like that. It is formula is identified by the change of interval. In the change of interval, the limits corresponding, the formula is converted. Every limit change, then the change of interval formula also change. But in Euler's method, L equal to pi fixed, So the formula also fixed. In any problem, the formula of Euler's is not changed, but the given problem limits corresponding to the given formula is changed. Okay. Next class, we are discussing given or odd function with discontinuity functions. Okay. So all of you raise your hands. చాలా తక్కువ మంది ప్రజెంట్ అయ్యారు. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మాత్రం మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేసుకోండి. ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. దీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇన్ హోంవర్క్. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఎక్స్, చాలా సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఆల్రెడీ నేను చెప్పాను. ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్లో చెప్పాను, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్లో చేయండి. సో ఈ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి, బాక్స్లో పెట్టిన టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి. రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చేద్దరు. ఈ రేపు క్లాస్కి ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఓన్లీ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఎక్స్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ఒకటి, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఒకటి. నేను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ షేర్ చేశాను. ఆ పీడిఎఫ్లో వాటి ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి, కావాలంటే మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓన్లీ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మాత్రం ఈరోజు క్లాస్కి హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. నేను చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది, జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ పెట్టుకొని చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. పెద్ద ఆన్సర్స్ ఏం చేంజ్ అవ్వవు, పెద్ద వేరియేషన్ ఏమి ఉండదు, దగ్గరలోనే ఉంటుంది. అలాగే ఎక్స్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వచ్చేవాడికి ఈవెన్ ఆర్డ్లో ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఈవెన్ ఆర్డ్ ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. అందుకే మనం యూలర్స్లో చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ 0-2π ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ఇది డైరెక్ట్గా యూలర్స్, ఇది ఇండైరెక్ట్ యూలర్స్, ఇదేమో డైరెక్ట్ యూలర్. ఓకే, ఈ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి. రేపు క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎదురుగా. ఓకే, డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్?